Mileage. The total distance a vehicle has traveled, measured in miles or kilometers. The car has a mileage of over 100,000 miles. Check the mileage on the dashboard before renting a car. He keeps track of the mileage to estimate fuel costs. Older cars with high mileage may require more maintenance. The salesperson asked about the mileage of the trade-in vehicle.